Ha 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 ha, the evil laugh. You gotta love it. It works good for a Thursday morning when nothing's happening in the stock market. It's very slow today, people. Don't know what we're gonna do. Just look at the stocks. SVRE leading gapper this morning. Never mind that. And SNGX is the leading gapper this morning, up 150%. But it has given back quite a bit of its move, and it has hourly consolidation on it. Let's go and get started here on the technical analysis. Good morning, and I hope your morning is going well. I've traded a little bit pre-market this morning here, but I'm down $9. I haven't had a whole lot of success trading small share size, of course. SVRE, larger time frame on the hourly. We have an inside bar. 15-minute inside bar, so we have an equilibrium on a smaller time frame, which is the 5-minute with a high, low, lower, high. Yeah, a little choppy, but you know, it's tightening up. Basically, they call that a bull pennant. It's a triangle, not quite a bull pennant. Usually, when you have a bull pennant, you want a bigger move up before the pennant forms. We didn't get a huge move here. But it is a triangle. It's tightening up. Inside bars on the 15-minute. We have a support down here at $1.78. This is a cheaper stock. Resistance is up at 215 and also up at 206. We have another support down here. There's a pivot here, which is also that $1.78 area. So those are our levels to be watching. 15-minute time frame, we don't have a higher low until way down here. Well, we have one here, actually. But do I want to trade it if it gets all the way down to $1.50? Probably not. Back to the larger time frame, SNXG pulling back on the hourly now, consolidation here, 15-minute. Looking for a higher low after this move up. This could be it. Possibly. We'll watch the smaller time frame for clues that that is it. What I would do, if I'm watching the 15-minute time frame looking for a higher low, I'd be watching the 2-minute time frame for a trend change back to the bulls to confirm that 15-minute higher low is set. Right now we are basing down here. We have a triple bottom basically down here at 326. So let's get back to the 1 minute. Now we are looking for an hourly higher low as well after pulling back. So looking for an hourly higher low. We have psychological $3 support below us there. And an hourly higher low. I'd be looking for a 5-minute trend change back to the bulls to confirm the hourly higher low is set. And the other one here is GDC. Let's take a look first here at the gap scan. We have about 10 stocks on there or so, but none of them really look all that great except the first couple. So I'm only watching 3 stocks this morning. GDC was further down on the scan. It's light on volume. The only reason I have it up here is because of lack of options and larger time frame. We have the high on the hourly time frame. You have your low, lower, high, choppy, but it's a tightening range. So that's kind of why I liked it. But I don't know. I think I want to see it get over 850. Where I would trade it, I'm not sure yet. There's a level there, I think. Let's move that over. Okay. We have 5 minutes to go till the market opens. So we have a bull break on SVRE. See the inside bar bull break, tightening range, bull break. We have a daily level up at 222. And at 242. Big old red gnarly candle there. This was an IPO last year. It looks like right around June it IPO'd. So it's not very, stock hasn't been around for very long, not even a year yet. Could be a lot of bag holders up here. I'd be cautious. There could be a lot of people that bought up in this area and have been holding this all this time. And so if we get back up there, they might start selling. So you might start seeing a lot of selling pressure. So be cautious of that. SVRE. Okay, so we're back testing 206. And it's pre-market, so I'm not taking any more trades right now. It's a little too close to the bell. All right, yeah, not a whole lot to cover this morning. We can look at the gap scan. You see, we have the two leading gappers. Next, the third one down was XIN. It's kind of interesting. It's been consolidating for quite a while. I mean, there might be something there. I could probably, it's a falling wedge. I probably could put that one up here. It's got a pretty good float. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on it. I'll put it here and keep an eye on it. We'll see what happens with it, maybe. Who knows? SVRE just breaking through that daily level now. We have 1 minute to go till the market opens. So nice bounce off of 206 on SVRE. Okay, 5 seconds to go. The market's about to open. Good luck today. So we are open. Okay, there we go. I had to go take care of that. All right. Good enough. So I'll get back over here. What do we have going on here? 42 cents. Oh, what in the heck is this? Whew. I don't know what's happening here with my hotkeys. Let's try this again. GDC is taking off. A little bit of volume, so is SNGX. I'm long SNGX on a pullback to this area down here. I'm going to flatten that. That dropped pretty hard there. So I am in SVRE now. Now, let me sit back here for a second. Look at SNGX. There it goes. That was a nice recovery. I'm looking for the move up to $4 on it. So I sold twice. See if we get a breakthrough 4. I'm going to sell it there. So I don't know. This is a pretty tricky day. Oh, that was a nice breakthrough 4. I'll buy the dip on it there. See if we get another move up. Yeah, I'm going to flatten it. Just take the profit while I have it. I'm green on the day now. So at one point I was down over $100. Now my maximum loss on the day is $200. My daily goal is 100. Hard to tell at this point if I'm going to have too many more opportunities. SNGX hitting the scan. W, I think that was actually on the high of day momentum scan, the gap scan. So that's over here. Let's drag W over to here. 35-cent stock. Candle range is around 80 cents. I'm going to set my stop loss up for that. When I do that, I'm actually down here pushing buttons on my software that I've written. So I have it set for 80 cents because that's the candle range. Well, 40 cents on this one, but Pack W from yesterday is halted. Let's take a look at Pack W. See if we have something there. Oh, it's halted going down. Now that one's kind of ugly. Don't really want to trade that one. I want to get into W, but it feels like it's a little extended. 3650. I am long over here on SVRE. Let's see if it can break through 215. NVST is halted. I'm not sure about that one. I'm going to get back out of SVRE. Look at GDC breaking through that support. I was going to buy it there, but kind of glad I didn't now. Okay, I'm long on W. Got stopped out on one of those orders. Yeah, not holding up there. So losing $100 on that. So I'm long SVRE. Let's get rid of a few of these lines. This could be my last trade of the day. I'm going to go ahead and sell half of SVRE. Put my stop loss in somewhere down around 205, I suppose. I'm also long over here. I'm flattening my position on SVRE. Probably should have held it. Yeah, should have held it. There we go. Selling on W. Back to green on it. I'm going to sell again there. Okay, so that was nice. Recovered on W, made back most of the loss. I'm up $68 on the day. My daily goal is $100, but seriously thinking about stopping. This has been a really tricky day. Missed some opportunity on SVRE. I took some problem. I'm worried about a flush on it. You know what we saw happen here. So that's what's got me kind of like, I just don't know. High of day is 253. UVXY is on the scan, so that must mean the market is down today. UVXY is an inverse of SPY. Yeah, the market's dropping. You can see that. So there's our break on SVRE and the rejection. So now we're coming down. SNGX, I'm so tempted to buy off of that support, but I didn't do it because of what the 5-minute looks like. See, we broke out on the 5-minute just barely, and then we had the red candle down. So we had a bull break, bear break. That's kind of what had me not pushing the buy button there. Rejection on SVRE. W pulling back now. I don't know. I think I'm going to take my small green day and walk away. I feel like I've stayed too long as it is with the way things are. It was a really slow pre-market. There wasn't a lot going on. I tried several times to take some trades and things kept dropping and failing. So that was the first sign to me that, okay, well, we might have ourselves kind of another choppy, slower day. And that's kind of been the way things have been lately. Seems like every few days we seem to see signs of the market coming back to life, but it's just not quite there for us yet. Let's look at NVST actually. Wait, no, never mind. Well, I mean, NVST is on the halt scan. It got halted, but it's got halted going down. Oh, that's weird. That looks like it got halted going up, but it says it got halted going down. I don't get that. So let me see. W does kind of look good here. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. I have to hit, see, that's 55 cents. See if we get the break over the high on W. Had a problem with my order when I got into the last trade on it and had to exit and reset my order. So now I'm not sure. I don't like it. I'm going to get back out. I'm still up. I'm still sitting at $66. It's your high, your low. Let's get rid of some of these lines. So a bit of an equilibrium starting to form. You know, let's see. Okay. I want to buy this right here. Boy, I just don't know. And we're talking about a 10-cent spread, so that's not real bad. A new 5-minute candle is coming up in 5 seconds. I'm going to buy a little dip on it. We'll see what happens here. See if we get any kind of break or follow through at all. I'm going to jump in it one more time. No, get back out. So was up 80, gave back some, so I'm back into the 60s again. If that had broken, I would be at my daily goal. That's what I was kind of shooting for. Yeah. No, that's going to do it for me. I'm gonna stop before I end up giving back some. Well, hold on. Give me. I don't know, man. I just can't make up my mind here. 37.50. That is the level to break. Well, let's see if it wants to do it. There we go. It's close enough. I think it's going to go more here. Oh. I'm long over here on SVRE. There's the break through the volume weighted average price. I'm out right there at my daily goal. Now I'm going to stop. Woo! Wasn't sure there for a second if I was going to get there. W not pulling back. I got in SVRE over here as we had this tightening range and these 1 minute inside bars. Now this is probably going to go higher, but that's okay. It can go higher without me. I am fine with that. I love that I hit my daily goal of $100. So let's go. I'm actually not going to do a trade review today because I've got something I need to go get done. So this is going to be it. I'm just going to go ahead. So we'll go over the P&L since I won't be doing a trade review. $1 million challenge. Okay, so day one of phase 3. Really excited. 05, 04. So May 4th, I have hit my daily goal, $101.99. There it is. My low of day, I was down at one point from my open. I was down 17. No, I was actually down. I think I was down like $100. Pretty sure. Oops. There we go. So that puts a lower wick on my candle. All right, so finishing at my highs, 101.99. Go over to the data tab, 101.99. And we'll see what that does to the road to $1 million. It's saying here that I will be finished with phase 3 by June 13th. I hope so. That would be awesome. That's a month, just over a month away. So I'm making a good start. Up $1,700 in the account. My daily goal, I hit it. Yeah, so hopefully your trading went well today. And I will see you back here one more time this week on Friday, tomorrow morning, right back here at around 6:20 a.m. in the morning. Until then, take care, my friends, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.